Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reports that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned a man belonging to the people prior to us, that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had blessed him with profuse wealth and progeny. The reporter narrates, when his death neared him, he said to his sons, "What kind of father am I?" They replied, "You are a good father." He thereupon said, "I have not sent any good deed to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." Qatada interprets it, "I have not deposited. When I will stand before Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, He will torment me. So remember, when I will die, you should incinerate me to coal and then pulverize me," or said, "Turn me into powder. And when it is blowing a gale, blow me my ashes off." So he squeezed them for a concrete promise. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, they did the same. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, "Kun," and lo, that man was standing there. He Jalla Jalaluhu then said, "O my bondsman, what exhorted you to do what you have done?" He submitted, "Fear of you," or said, "Fearing you." So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in recompense showered His mercy on him. Salman has narrated it thus, but he added, "Scattered me in the ocean," or what he narrated. Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu reported it from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 6481.